EURUSD this week has continued to move up to the higher price levels, and we can see what has happened this week on the chart, where we can see that the week has started with this bullish candle, small one, where the price has reached the start of this supply zone around 1.09860, and then returned back down to this first support, now acting, the previous resistance now acting as a support around 1.08846, where the price also has touched the lower side of this demand zone. After that, the price is bouncing back up. On Wednesday, on Thursday and Friday, the price has continued to move up to higher price levels, but did not close above these two candles. We can see it here, open and close, which means this is one of the critical levels for now for the price. But let's see how this looks also on the weekly time frame. This looks also a bullish week. This week we can also see that the price is bouncing between these two price levels, testing the area, and the price has found enough enough buyers around this demand zone, where the price has continued and closes the price above the open price of this week. We can see also that the price has touched this confluence of resistance. It is also very hard and a very tough supply zone for the price. We'll see what happens in the following weeks, but let's check also how this looks on the monthly time frame. We can see a strong bullish pressure here, a buying demand zone around this price level, where the price has gone, and we have around one more week until this month ends. So as it looks right now, the price will close probably as a bullish candle. It's very hard to predict that the price will not close as a bullish one, going back down below this price level. But let's see what we have here on the monthly time frame and how this looks. We can see that the price is jumping around these two price levels, between this one around 1.1 and also below that 1.05 price level on the monthly time frame. And we can see that this jump has started since here, which was around February this year. The price has started and jumping between these two price levels. This is more than half a year. So as it looks right now, we can see that the price is heading above and very close to this confluence of resistance between 1.09860 and also 1.1 price level. We can see that very critical levels for the price on the monthly time frame has been broken to the upside. This one here, and also this one here, and the next one, which will be very critical, is this one here, where we have these two candles and also confluence of this resistance. This is the next target for the next week, because as it looks right now, the price has broken above this one, 1.09 resistance level, and now is going to the next one, which is here around this supply zone, but we will see that much more clearly on the lower time frames. Very important level for the price on the monthly time frame to continue to be bullish one, and also try to attack this one. Confluence of supply is stay above 1.09 price level, and if it goes below that, where the price could stop is 1.086. But before that happens, we will need to see on the weekly and also daily time frame what are the critical levels and also what are the support and resistance levels that will hold the price from falling down below this one. And if the price goes above, which means above 1.09, the next level where the price needs to close is above this one, which is 1.1 and also 1.102. If the price closes above, the next one where the price will go is the next one here, which is also visible with these wicks on the previous candles. But before that happens, we have a very strong resistance level and also supply zone that will prevent the price from moving up. When the price reaches on the monthly time frame this price level here, we can see what happens. When the price was going up and the price has touched this area here, we can see that the price has dropped down in this candle. The next attempt, we can see that the price has managed to break above on the monthly time frame, reaching 1.109, almost 1.02 price level. The price again dropped down. The next one attempt, when the price has reached this price level, could not go above, which means there was a strong selling pressure here, much stronger than the buying pressure that is pushing the price up. Then the price is back down, and we can see where the price is stopped here, and also here, almost reaching with the wicks below that. So this is the third attempt for the price to break above. So it will be very hard for the price, and we will see how this month ends. Will manage to easily go above this price level and then try to reach again higher price levels with the wicks, or it will drop again below that. But for that, For now, I am expecting that the price will bounce for sure from this price level on the monthly time frame, and then reversing at least to this price level here, 1.09, and then we'll see what happens, because anything can happen, and also especially on the weekly and also daily time frame, which will show us much more clear information where the market could go. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. Very important level, 1.09 price level. I have mentioned also on the monthly time frame, we can see it here, very important level 1.09, which is also visible here. This is the start of this currently acting as a demand zone, so the price needs to hold on the weekly time frame this price level, which is 1.088, which is very close to 1.09. So this is very important level on the monthly time frame, but for the weekly time frame we can see that the very important level is this one here and also this one here, 1.0086 and also 1.088. This is the price level, and also this is the lower side of this demand zone, needs to hold on the price on the weekly time frame in order to hold the price on the higher price levels. If it goes below, then the next one where the price could stop is this one, the start of this demand zone around 1.08. So this is the weekly time frame, very critical levels, and also above that, for now, for the price on the weekly time frame, the price needs to break above this one here. It is 1.1 price level, we can see it here, where the price having problem confluence between the support and the resistance, and also very important level, we can see it here on the weekly time frame, 1.102. So if the price goes above and closes the weekly time frame above, this will be a breakout to the upside, where the price will need to confirm the next week above in order to verify this breakout as a valid one, and also this will be visible on the monthly time frame as a breakout to the upside, and it will be needed to be confirmed. So for now, as it looks on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting that the price will continue to move up. The price has bounced from this area here, from this supply zone, returned back down, and now it's attacking again this area, confluence of resistance, which will be a very strong one to break above. If we go now to the daily time frame, we will have much more clear information, and we can see that the price is trying to make a breakout, touch this area, this supply zone, and then bouncing back down. From here, the price has found enough strength, the bullish strength, to push the price even more higher, and we can see that the price has closed the Friday day between these two price levels, which means the price will attack the next week again this area here. So I'm expecting the price will continue to move up. I have also shared inside the trading community also the price levels that I have expected, where the price will enter, and also where the price will go with stop loss and also take profit. We can see for now on the daily time frame that very important level for the price is currently this one here. It is the start of this supply zone. We can see it here very closely, this area between these two price levels, with 1.095 and also 1.096, very important level for the price in order to continue to move up. So the price needs to break above this price level and then reach 1.1 here. We can see it here. This is the upper side of this supply zone. If the price breaks above on the daily time frame, this will be a breakout which needs to be confirmed. So I'm expecting the price will attack this area. It will reach 1.1, and then we will see will the price manage to close the next candle above that to confirm the valid bullish breakout. When that happens, we'll see, and we will see price attacking the higher price levels, and the next one where the price could go is this one, 1.104, where we can see the price had problems in the past to go above. So these are very critical levels. On the lower side, if the price goes below this one, which is 1.088 price level, and also especially below this one, the lower side of this demand zone, the next one where the price could stop is this one here. And this is the start, very close to the start of this demand zone, but the price will probably reach this area here, which is 1.082. We can see it here, also visible here on the chart as a lower side of these three candles in the previous week. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading for the next week, and see you inside the trading community. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.